In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable 404 Monitor in Rank Math. If you manage a WordPress site, keeping an eye on 404 errors is essential. A 404 happens when someone, or a search engine, tries to visit a page that doesn't exist. Maybe a link was typed incorrectly, a page was deleted, or a URL changed during a redesign. Tracking these errors helps you quickly fix broken links, protect your SEO performance, and give visitors a smoother experience. Before we begin, make sure you're logged in to your WordPress site with an account that has permission to manage plugins and settings. You'll also want the Rank Math SEO plugin installed and active. Once you're set, head straight to your WordPress dashboard. This is your site's control center and the starting point for everything you need to do today. From the dashboard, look for Rank Math SEO in the left-hand menu and click it. When the submenu opens, select Dashboard. This is where Rank Math organizes its modules, so you can easily switch features on or off depending on what you need. On the dashboard page, scroll through the available modules until you see the one labeled 404 Monitor. When you find it, toggle it on. That's it. The feature is now active. Turning this on tells Rank Math to begin logging any attempts to reach pages that don't exist on your site. The log will start collecting entries as visitors or bots encounter missing URLs, which you can review later to identify patterns and prioritize fixes. A quick tip: give it a little time after enabling. The 404 Monitor works forward from the moment you switch it on, so logs will build as traffic flows through your site. When you review the data, you'll typically see the requested URL, how often it was hit, and sometimes the source that referred the visitor. Use that information to correct internal links, restore key pages, or plan redirects where appropriate. If you run a high-traffic site, it's a good idea to check the log regularly and keep it tidy so it remains useful. And remember, monitoring 404s isn't just about fixing errors that exist today. It also helps you spot recurring issues that might point to outdated menus, old marketing links, or typos in content. To recap, open your WordPress dashboard, go to Rank Math SEO, choose Dashboard, find the 404 Monitor module, and toggle it on. With that simple change, you've set up a powerful safety net that helps keep your site healthy and your visitors on track.